Guys, check this out. So, check out these. These are Fuji apples, and they were on sale. But let me open this up. You got this at the grocery store, but it's really neat. They're not just regular Fuji apples. So, if you look here, they even have like a Chinese symbol embedded in them, which is really neat. So, I'm not sure what it says, but it's probably being something lucky or something. So, anyways, we're gonna open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so here's the apple, all cut up and ready to go. Let me do a quick taste test. It's really good, juicy, crispy. Totally different than the North American Fuji. So definitely check it out, guys. Question, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.